In this video, we make easiest and smallest lead with Dashboard by Microsoft Excel and Form. We will fill two forms for better understanding in Data and Dashboard. First, open the link to fill the lead form. Then click on Start Now. All answers are mandatory to submit the lead form, like salesperson name, lead name, service, lead contact, source, state, city, source type, probability, probability month, and amount, then submit. If you may submit another lead form, else click on Save My Response. Let's fill second lead form to check how the data shows in Dashboard, like salesperson name, lead name, service, lead contact, source, state, city, source type, probability, probability month, and amount, then submit. Now I am opening Excel. You may see above the Microsoft form is synced. We can see here 13 entries. Now I am refreshing the data. After refreshing, wait for a while to update data. Now we can see 3 rows are added here. In another sheet, there is Dashboard lead form. We can filter anything with filter buttons in Dashboard sheet. Now I am filtering date 9, 8, and 7, and we can select multiple date like 8 and 9 too. And when we are filtering, then our chart are also updating. We may also filter as salesperson name. I have selected on Charmy Doshi, and our dashboard updated with only data of Charmy Doshi. Same as we may use different buttons to analyze this lead form report from different views, as I have shown here. Contact us to make these type of dashboard, Excel automation, MIS, or report automation. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in next video.